This is a video on how to find the equation of a line given 2 points. It's also going to be able to show you how to find the equation of a line given 1 point and already having the slope. So here we have 2 points. We have 5, 8 and negative 1, 4. So we're going to find the slope first. That's down 4. Down 6, so the slope of this line is 2/3. Now, if you were already given the slope and either 1 point or 2 points, you just pick one of the points and you have a similar situation. But now that we have the slope, we plug it right into our equation. Y equals 2/3, x plus b. I then can choose my point. I would suggest 5, 8. 8 is the y value, 5 is the x value. Now we have an equation with one variable, which we should be able to solve. We're going to multiply. 5 times 2/3 is 10/3. We're going to subtract 10/3. This leaves b on the right. 8 minus 10/3 on the left. We need to find a common denominator. It's 3. 8 is 24 divided by 3. 24/3 minus 10/3 is 14/3, and that is my y-intercept. Now once I have my y-intercept and my slope, I can rewrite my equation in slope-intercept form. Now, there are a couple situations that somehow, some way, people get hung up on, and that's if you end up with an undefined or zero slope. So those situations are going to look like this. You're going to have let's say 5, 2, and 10, 2. So if you do the slope here, your rise is 0, and your run is 5. So you get a slope of 0. In that case, y equals 0x plus b would be the first step, but 0 times x just goes away. So your b value is 2. So you can just say y equals 0x plus 2 and essentially simplify it down to y equals 2. So it's going to be a horizontal line, which is always y equals and then the value. If you get a situation like this, 7, negative 3, and 7, positive 10, we get a rise of 13 and a run of 0. Division by 0 is undefined, so we have an undefined slope. Undefined slope, you can't plug in anything for m, and it's more of just a memory thing. You have to use x equals and then whatever the x coordinates are. X equals 7 in this case.